lipstick, nail polish, and eyeshadow.
Ooh, did you say part or parts?
Which part of a fish? It is a combined part of a fish and makeup question.
Great. I will just have to say the scales.
Alec says the scales. Sally, Aaron, do either of you want to challenge?
What did you say in the question it was also known as?
Guanine.
Do you have any initial thoughts?
Yes, it's adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. Guanine is an amino acid, so it could be found anywhere in the fish. But I don't think it will be scales. So I'm going to challenge
There's
that.
a hand up there. That is a challenge.
Yeah.
I'm going to challenge as well.
Sally put a hand up first. Alec, were you trying to sound less confident there, or do you genuinely not know the answer?
I genuinely didn't know the answer. I was totally bluffing.
It was a very good guess. You are absolutely right with scales. Sally?
Wow.
No, I've been brought down on a biology.
Bluff. Bluff. Bluff.